Hello and welcome. I remain Mustafa Lawal, and in this class we will be learning how to use eyedropper tools in CorelDRAW. So let's look at this. This is the eyedropper tool, okay? The color eyedropper tool and attribute eyedropper tool. So you can see there are two here. So let's bring it out. So this one is color eyedropper tool. You can sample colors and apply them to other objects. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, maybe you have an object like this and you have object B like this, and maybe they don't have the same color, so you don't know, you want them to have the exact color. You don't want to do try and error or you stress yourself like that. So you just pick this one now. Okay, let me give this one a different color first for you to see. So just pick this one. Okay, so now let's come and pick this to now color eyedropper. Just sample this color like this. You can see the RGB values and X value that is there. So just pick it and you come and drop it on this one. Very simple. Okay, so I don't need to waste time here. Just use to copy colors. Okay, the same thing even on the text, not just on the shapes. Like if I want to give this particular one now, this particular text now, if I want to give it this color now, well, let me just change this color first. Okay, let me just like this, and I want to give same color to this text. Same thing, I'll just come and sample this color. And okay, zoom in. Don't drop it on the underline, drop it on the text itself. You see, so you can see how easy this one is to achieve. So if you want to also copy properties of another object, it's still this tool that this second one that you use, like a font style. So you can, okay, let me bring it in. This typeface, okay, and look at this typeface is different from this one. So if I want to copy this one to this now, I'll use the attribute, not color this time around. So I'll come and sample this one, and I'll come and drop it on this one, and you can see now they are looking the same now. So that is it on this tool. So you can also use it to copy some effects added to some objects. You can see this object is different from this one. So if I want this object now to also have the same outline like this one, I'll just use the same this tool to sample this object, and then I will go to this one and drop it, and you can see they are now looking the same. So that is easy as you know. So it's very simple. So that is it on how to use this tool. You can use it to try other things, but that is just not something hard. So see you in our next class. Thank you.